What's up guys, welcome back to the channel today. Today I have a pretty cool DIY video for you guys. So I've been having some trouble in the woods hauling in my turkey broadheads because my quiver, the hood of it, is too small for the actual broadheads themselves. So I've been having to haul in the case or put like a rag on the arrows or something like that, and I don't like that. So today I've come up with a solution to fix that. So stick around and I'll show you guys just how I did that. So this is my quiver. I have the trophy line, just entry level quiver. The hood is obviously too small for the broadheads. The broadheads I'm using are the Magnus bullheads. I believe these blades are 2 inches long. They're pretty big. They make two different sizes. I want to say they make an inch and a 2-inch version. I'll have them linked down in the description for you guys if you guys want to check out exactly which ones these are. They don't fit into my quiver. All you're gonna need to complete this project is your quiver. I would say you can do this to basically any quiver that has a detachable hood, but just for reference, I'm doing this with the trophy line. You're gonna need your quiver, a pair of scissors, Phillips head screwdriver, a Sharpie, a little foam mat from Walmart. It's a little foam pad for your knees in the garage. So it was $6, I think. And you're gonna need some coffee. The first thing you wanna do is remove the Phillips head screws in the top of your quiver to remove the hood. Once you take your screws out, you wanna remove the hood, just set it off to the side. And what I did is I put my screws back into the holes that they normally came in. They don't screw all the way in, but they screw in enough to where you're not gonna lose them and you won't have to find new screws for your quiver. And just tighten these back down to where you can make them not all the way flush, because they won't go all the way back in because they're gonna hit up against the other side of this part of your quiver. But you can make them go in pretty far to where they're maybe sticking out a centimeter. Okay, so then you're gonna want to put your arrows in your quiver. If you're running 3, put 3 in there. If you're running 2, put 2 in there. Just depends on what you are running personally. Try to make the top of your broadheads about even with these poles from your quiver. So once you have those in there, what you're gonna do is just push this down on the top of your foam pad and adjust it on your foam pad, left, right, back, forward, enough to where you're gonna have enough of a gap to where you can make your marks and not have your blades fall out or push off the side or something like that. You wanna push your quiver in to make an imprint, then you wanna push your blade in to make an imprint as well. And you can use a knife to cut a little hole for your quiver pegs to sit into. So then once we get everything cut out, we're going to actually cut a square out. So this is what you're gonna wanna use your Sharpie for. Just kinda make whatever shape you are wanting to make, and then you're just gonna take your scissors and cut it out. Okay, so once we get our pad cut out, we're gonna wanna place everything together, push it in, and that should be your new hood for your broadheads. Slide my quiver into these 2 holes right here, have it like that. Line it up how I want it. I'm gonna stick a blade in. So there you guys go, that is my homemade quiver to fix my turkey hunting broadhead problem. And they come right out. Pretty easy, nice and silent. You can stick them back up in there. But for a 3 arrow setup, not wanting to buy a new quiver or anything like that, this is pretty safe. I'm hitting the top of it, still pretty thick. I have to draw with my hands. Got the 2 parts of the quiver coming out the top to secure it on there and keep these screws from letting it come up. It's a nice 3 arrow setup, leaves you enough room for your turkey broadheads. They are hidden in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.